So Al had the great idea of jumping in. I think he wants to die today.
Oh my gosh, so we're just leaving our apartment here in Podgorica, and we're going to give our car back. This is the car we hired the first day, and we're in Podgorica, which is, you know, it's been named the most boring capital city in the whole of Europe. Even though we're not in Europe, maybe it's the whole world, I don't know. It's pretty boring, there's nothing going on really, but Lucinda does her research, and she always does. And yeah, there's a waterfall nearby, which I thought was quite crazy, because, you know, capital city and 15 minutes out of town, we're in the middle of nowhere. You can hear it already, I know. It's a waterfall called Niagara. And I'm going to show that to you now.
I keep on thinking about the words, how you say them when they hurt. I turn them inside out to see if there's a hidden message for me. I'm hoping, I'm wishing that one day you listen so we can connect again. I'm feeling the purpose, I know we're not perfect, but my soul is reaching out. I'm gonna hand you the truth, hand you the truth. I ain't got a calling card. What can I do? Froze up by you, taking me by surprise.
What an incredible waterfall. That is utterly fantastic. It's a mini Niagara Falls. This is awesome. Look. Beautiful rock formations. Gorgeous. I'm saying gorgeous. It's a good word.
Word has it, what word has it? Whisper through the grapevine. Word has it, what word has it? Whisper through the grapevine. You fade out. I always thought that it could work. Am I the one who will get burned? I see the glances, you're faking it. How long will you keep playing it? I'm hoping, I'm wishing that one day you listen so we can connect again. I'm feeling the purpose, I know we're not perfect, but my soul is reaching out. I'm gonna hand you the truth, hand you the truth. I ain't got a calling card. What can I do? Froze up by you, taking me by surprise. Word has it, what word has it? Whisper through the grapevine. Word has it, what word has it? Whisper through the grapevine. You fade out.
So Al had the great idea of jumping in. I think he wants to die today.
You know, I really love things like this. It's just so awesome. Like we are standing now, you know, where the riverbed was. I mean, you look at the rocks behind me. Man, I need sunglasses. Look at the rocks behind me. I mean, you can see exactly where the river used to be, the height of the river. I mean, all these furrows were once cut by the swirling current. Think how many millions of years ago the river made this. I mean, it's awesome. It's awesome. This is such a cool place. So yeah, if you're near Podgorica, maybe giving the car back, or just arrived from the aeroplane, or on your trip here to Montenegro, come and visit Niagara. It's only 15 minutes out of town, and there's a little restaurant just over there as well, where you can get a drink and some coffee and maybe some food. We haven't been there yet. I think we're going to go there in a minute. Do like my coffee. And if you like a bit of parkour, this is cool as well, because you can just go parkour jumping. Maybe not like over the side. Maybe if you want to, I don't know. I think it's deep enough. Lucinda doesn't think it's deep enough, I do. Right, well we've got a few minutes left. I think we're just going to absorb the beauty.
So we weren't actually going to manage to fit the waterfalls into this trip, but we decided to cut our trip to the mountains a little bit shorter because the weather started to turn, and we'd already done what we wanted to do up there. So we came down a little bit early and we managed to fit this in, and I'm really glad that we did now. Absolutely stunning. A lot of fun as well. Jake got to jump on the rocks, which is one of his favourite hobbies.
This is huge. This place is awesome.
Wow. Jake's got a wobbly tooth. He's been saving it until we got to Montenegro because he wants to lose it in Montenegro.
Okay, giving the car back. Looks fine to me. Can't see any marks apart from obvious bird crap and mud. There's no dents on there. She's good. Okay you guys, yes, at this point of the video I'd just like to point out that the driver is not wearing his seatbelt and he is chatting away on his mobile phone, and that pinging sound you can hear, that is the car's own alarm warning system letting him know that he hasn't got his seatbelt on, which he ignored completely and managed to disable using a button later on in the journey. Okay, back to the video. Alright, with the train station. Did you see that? He had like no seatbelt and he was on the phone at the same time.
Is this the right station?
I don't know, it's the train station.
Are we sure this is a train station, not a bus station? I think this is the bus station.
That's a train station. I think we're at the bus station, and I clearly said train station to the taxi driver guy, I think. I think we're okay. It appears the guys dropped us off in the wrong place at a bus station, because there's loads of buses out there, there's no trains. But I think we're alright.
It's alright, it's only down that.
Yeah.
It's not far.
That was lucky.
Right.
Oh man.
Okay.
It's a language barrier. But I guess he knew where we was going, even though we didn't.
Alright, hang on.
Awesome.
You have to take your jumper then.
I'm so glad we went out this morning. It's raining, man. Oh, we did get the good weather though. That was awesome at the Niagara Falls there. Really cool. I'm so happy that it was sunny then and not now. Well, sunny now would be good. I hope we know where we're going. So, yeah. Bought the tickets. We're in the waiting room now. It's pretty skanky. It's like a really old-fashioned working men's club locker room. Not my idea of a nice place to sit, but hey, that's what we got. We're out of the rain at least, and nice graffiti on those trains outside there. Pretty cool. Yeah, alright, so we've got about an hour to wait before we get on the train. I think we're just going to read a book. Josh has already assumed the position on the phone. That's what teenagers do these days. That's what everyone does these days. Well, I'm going to do it too. So let's assume that position and chill. So we've been almost accosted by a drunk homeless person. So I think, I don't know. Not cool. We literally just sat by this pillar right there, just sat there chatting to this other guy down there end of the platform. Started staring at Lucinda, waving and blowing kisses at Jacob. It's not cool. He was only being friendly, but man, it's not cool, really. It's not good, you know, knowing that you've got to jump up and start maybe protecting your family from a potential threat, but you're just trying to wait for a train. I guess you just got to be on your guard the whole time, you know. Lucinda was ready. We made it. We're here in Bar in Montenegro, of course. That's where we are. We found this back scratcher, and Jake is scratching my back with it. Well, what can I say? What a view we've got here in our apartment. The guy who owns this place is he graciously agreed to pick us up from the train station when we got off at Bar, and it was only a few minutes away. We could have got a taxi, I suppose, but I guess he wanted to show us around the apartment, show us, what floor it was on. The top floor, of course, and the lift was broken, so we had to carry all the bags up. Our rucksacks are quite heavily laden at the moment, but that's fine. We've made it. I'm actually really happy. I'm going to show you the view. Here it is. Look at this. Now, it's the opposite side to the sea, of course. The sea is the complete opposite direction, but man, the mountains are so awesome from here. Yeah, and it had to be the top floor, but listen, we are right here, lugging the bags up the whole way. That was fun. Absolutely incredible. And actually, there he is. It's taken him all this time to walk back down the stairs, but that is our landlord right there walking to his car. There he is. Fantastically parked. Okay, you guys, that is it for this vlog. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I shall see you guys on the next one.